Hello everyone, we are doing a code challenge from Leetcode today. It's very simple TwoSum challenge. It is asking us to go through an integer of numbers or a list of numbers and find numbers in it that is equal when we add it up will equal our target value. Then return the indices of the two numbers that adds up to that target number. Okay. For example, we have a list of this number or numbers, and we want to have a target of 9. So we will go through our lists for each numbers. So here, what numbers add up to 9, which is what we have here, 2 and 7, and we want to return the output of those indices. So what index pertain to those numbers? So here 2 has an index of 0, and here 7 has an index of 1. So that's what we want to have. That's our target. So here we're gonna start with the pseudocode. We're gonna make sure that we know what we're doing step by step. Here we want to define our function, which have the parameters of self, which when we call the solution, we can access the function self nums, because that's our list that we are trying to target, and a target parameter for our goal here. Then we are going to iterate through those numbers, these numbers right here. Okay, so iterate through nums in the nums array list. Okay, then second thing that we are trying to do is we are going to iterate through nums with I plus 1, which means that, hey, if we already have the first number taken, we are gonna go and add plus 1 to the index so we can go to the next number, right? So if our I is in the second number, we are gonna add plus 1 to the index, and we are gonna be targeting the third number here. Next, we are going to return a conditional statement that if we have I and the second number, let's call it J, is added, we want to return their index. Okay, I think that is most of our pseudocoding that we need. We're gonna go and continue to our solution. First, we are going to define our function. Okay, define TwoSum with the parameters of self, nums, and the target value, and then we are going to iterate through the nums. We're going to use a for each method for our index in range of the length. The range of the length of our nums array. Okay, we want to go through our nums lists, and we are going to do a for j. This is for our second number, for j in range I plus 1. Okay, so that we can go to our second number or the next number. Then we are going to go through the length of the nums. Okay, then we're going to do a conditional statement that if the number that we have, num I, is equal to the second number or the next number, which is j, is equals to the target value, we want to return I and j. There you go. We want to return I and j, and return that if I and j is added, we want to return their index or indices. Okay, indices. Okay, we're gonna run the test and check if they're gonna pass. We have some type of error here. Glow num is not defined for nums. I believe it's nums I and nums j. Okay, we are able to find the solution for a bug and our solution for our TwoSum method that returns the indices of the numbers that add up to our target. Thank you for watching.